Hello, hi everybody. Today's video is my makeup declutter and organisation video, and I'm super excited to do this because if you've watched my previous two videos you'll know that I've just been to London. I went to Muji and got loads of new storage. That is what today's video is all about. So I am going to show you an overview of what my makeup setup looks like now, and you'll see why I want to change it up. It's just so decluttered. And just a bit of a mess. So I'm going to organise it, and yeah. So what I'm going to use to organise my drawer first of all are these, and these are the PR storage from Muji. So I've got a bunch of these, they're all different sizes, and they're all going in my drawer with makeup in them. And then from the top of the drawers I've got some new acrylic drawers. These are just a 2-1, but they're really wide, so they fit foundation and everything in them. So that's it. So now you've seen all of that, let's get on into the video. So this is an overview of my desk. So my beauty desk is actually the IKEA Malm, I believe, with the 2 drawers. This is what my desk often looks like. So here is my drawers, and as you can see I've got loads of things on top because these things actually don't fit in the drawers. That's why I've got these new ones that have got much more of a width so that I can fit these things in. And then this drawer looks like this. So in here I've just got the storage. This is from IKEA. I believe it is actually a utensils drawer organiser, but a bunch of empties here that can just go in the bin, and literally like this is just the stuff that all needs decluttering that I don't need no more. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually get everything out of the drawers and out of the acrylic drawers as well, and put everything out on the floor and into the categories that they go in for what they are, and then I can actually clean out the drawer I have and make sure there's no rubbish or muck or anything left in it. So this is the whole of my makeup collection put into groups. So lipsticks, lip accessories, lip liners, lip glosses, mascaras, powders, highlighters, concealers, foundation, strobe creams, eyeliners, got primers here, eyebrows there, bronzers there, blush there, eyeshadows there, both palettes and singles. And then I've got some eyeshadow sticks and just some lash and eyeshadow accessories. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is pick out my everyday makeup and put that into the new acrylic drawers. So yes, sometimes I switch between a lot of products, so like I might have 2 foundations or 2 primers, that kind of thing. So here's my everyday go-to makeup that I wear every single day. So foundation, Boujois Healthy mix, primer has to be the new Smashbox, photo finish, I love this, my MAC Strobe Cream, the Beached Bronze from Urban Decay, and the Mary Lou Luminizer Highlighter. Got my Naked Urban Decay Concealer, MAC Primer, powder, sorry, and then I've got the Kat Von D eyeliner, a Glory Archery eyebrow pencil, and the Benefit There Real mascara. So now I'm going to go through everything that I have left on the floor and see if I want to bin any of it, or actually I'll mainly pass it on to my sister. This is a pile of everything I want to give away to my sister. I have also, I've already binned a lot of stuff, but I started to put them all into their containers. I'm not sure how yet it's going to go because the foundations is pretty... I'm not sure if this is going to fit in the drawer, but we'll try now. Hello, I'm in a weird position down here on the floor, but I've got my new acrylic drawers here, which I've got my everyday makeup in the top one and now the bottom one's empty. I think this is going to be full of my MAC lip products. It depends if I can fit everything in. So this is my makeup drawer. So this is the container I was worried about. Actually, I think, oh, that fits in just fine. Because my foundations are actually overflowing the container, I didn't think it would fit in the drawer altogether, but it does, so I'm very happy about that. I'll switch that to that side, I think. The one that I'm happy with is this one. This is all of my eyeliners, both liquid and pencil, and my mascaras. I know my mascara collection is pretty wild, but I don't like getting rid of mascaras. I hoard mascaras, so they're in there. In one of the smaller containers here, I've got all my eyebrow stuff, which also includes what I used for ages, is just a MAC single eyeshadow, but this I used for my eyebrows, so that is in that tiny one there. Then I've got some backup face products. I've got primers and concealers in here, and my Urban Decay makeup spray. I think I'm going to slide that one to the back. That's not one I'm going to use very often. So these ones are our face products. I've got bronzers, highlighters and powders. And then the last one I've got is just a small one, but I'm left with all of my eyeshadows and my lip products. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with them. But it involved me losing a bronzing powder. So if my sister ever watches this, then I didn't want to get rid of this, but you're having it. So I've moved my lip products into the bigger container and moved my highlights and leftover bronzers into a smaller container. I'll just switch that to there. Push that in there. Okay, so all I'm left with now is all my eyeshadows, so I'm going to get the bigger palettes first. So my eyeshadow palettes include the Decay Naked, the Zoeva Cocoa Blend, and the newest addition is my Tarte Rainforest in the Sea. I absolutely love this. I feel like it's so special because you can't get it in the UK, so super glad I found that, and a TK Maxx of all places. I've got my own MAC Pro eyeshadow palette. These are all singles I put together. So my single eyeshadows, there's not many of them, but they consist of 4 of the Maybelline Colour Tattoos. Yeah, that's what they are. I've got 4 different shades here. 2, 3, 4. Glory eyeshadow, but to be honest I don't really use it, so I think my sister could have that one too. So what I'm left with now to put in is the eyelashes I've got, so they can just go and sit at the back somewhere because I don't actually wear eyelashes very often. So what I'm left with for makeup now is my MAC products. I'm just going to pop them all into my second acrylic drawers. So I've got 3 lip liners to put in. Oh, does that sit that way? Sit there at the back then. My MAC lipsticks, lip intensity, and look at all that room I've got left. That's no good. Pop a Vaseline in there. So here is the final look at my desk. It's an overview. This is my desk, and look how much better that looks than having, that's the other side of the desk, than having the 4 drawers. It looks so much better and neater. I can just see everything now from my everyday makeup, and I did do all my MAC lipsticks in here. Yeah, this area looks so much nicer. I mean, I still don't like my moisturiser being on top or this, but there's nowhere else for them to go and I use them daily, so that is why they're there. And the drawer, oh, ta-da, looks so much better. So that is it, pulled out fully, and you can hardly even see that the containers are these cheap ones. But that just looks so much better, and I can actually see where everything is. And now I could do a makeup collection video, which I'm excited for. My palette's over here. So that is it. That is my makeup declutter and organisation video for you. I've thoroughly enjoyed going through the process of getting rid of stuff and making my dressing room just look a whole lot better and prettier and girlier and not so messed up and cluttered. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. As you can see, it's taken me a while because my makeup is all left at my face. So yes, I really hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you next week for a brand new one. Thanks for watching. Bye.